Elegance and luxury awaits you behind this private community of Westgate Estates. It is a beautiful, sprawling mansion I'm about to introduce today. 143 Westgate Loop is everything you could imagine, from a spa to a retreat to it all. I'm Casey Wise, and I'm a real estate agent for the #1 brokerage in Horseshoe Bay, Texas, Horseshoe Bay Resort Realty. I can't wait to share this home with you. This mansion is stunning. With 4,079 square feet, it boasts 4 bedrooms and 4 baths, and a 5th bedroom if you'd like to use it for a game room or additional bedroom. The craftsmanship of this home is amazing. When you come inside and view it for yourself, you'll see what I mean. Here we are in this gorgeous Tuscan mansion with the tumbled travertine floors, the Cantera columns, great dining area over here, and if you look at this kitchen, it is fit for a king. If you're not a cook now, you will be when you move into this retreat. But wait, look outside. Look at the views outside and the expansive grounds and the pool. It's a spa, it's a retreat, it's everything you'll need for you to have such extraordinary living here in Horseshoe Bay, Texas. Come hide away in this fabulous library. Can you imagine sitting here and doing your work, looking out the gorgeous windows? Here we are in this beautiful Tuscan kitchen, ready to cook up a meal for you. Won't you see the beautiful granite and everything, the lighting, everything in this house is perfect. And who needs a casita when you've got the right wing of your home fit for remodeling into a mother-in-law suite or for your guests? It will be just a true pleasure to entertain people here. I told you this retreat was beautiful. Can you imagine this pool, the spa, the chairs, and look at the expansive grounds back here, no one behind you. I love sitting here and just having a cup of coffee in the morning, having a glass of wine, and taking and entertaining my friends in the first style. Now that you've seen the tour, I hope you've enjoyed it. We just gave you a glimpse of this beautiful mansion situated in Horseshoe Bay, Texas. But wait, there's more. Do you know that we have award-winning restaurants, a marina, country clubs, golf courses, and everything for you to have that perfect lifestyle? I hope you come and take a look and enjoy Horseshoe Bay as much as I do.